Will AI replace engineers, teachers and office workers by AliAzizQualityEducation?
AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work in every industry. Many people are now asking an important question: will AI replace engineers, teachers, and office workers? The honest answer is, AI will replace some tasks, reduce some roles, and change many jobs, but it will not fully replace everyone. Recent reports from the World Economic Forum, OECD, and ILO all point in the same direction. AI is more likely to transform jobs than erase all of them, with the biggest pressure on routine office work. 1. Will AI replace engineers? AI can help engineers work faster, but it is unlikely to fully replace most engineers. AI can already assist with design optimization, analyze data quickly, predict maintenance issues, automate repetitive calculations. But engineering also requires real-world problem solving, safety judgment, site decisions, human responsibility, innovation under changing conditions. In fact, the World Economic Forum. 2. Will AI replace teachers? AI can support teachers, but it cannot replace the full role of a human teacher. AI can help with lesson planning, quiz generation, basic tutoring, student progress tracking, administrative work. But teaching also depends on emotional connection, classroom management, motivation, understanding student behavior, adapting to individual learning needs. OECD research shows AI is affecting work and skills across many sectors, but it also emphasizes that AI often complements workers rather than simply removing them. For teachers especially. 3. Will AI replace office workers? Office workers face the biggest risk, especially in routine and repetitive roles. AI is already being used for data entry, scheduling, email drafting, report generation, customer support, basic HR screening, document review. Says generative AI exposure is highest in clerical and administrative work, and the World Economic Forum says employers expect technology to drive both job creation and job displacement through 2030. OECD also notes that AI can automate not only routine tasks but some non-routine activities as well. 4. What is the real future of jobs? The future is not just AI replaces humans. The real future is some jobs will shrink. Some jobs will change. New jobs will appear. People will need new skills. 5. Who is most at risk? The workers most at risk are those doing repetitive computer tasks, predictable office work, basic documentation, low-complexity reporting, rules-based processing. The safer workers are those with creativity, human communication, leadership. The safer workers are those with technical problem solving, hands-on expertise, emotional intelligence. That is why engineers and teachers are less likely to be full. 6. How to stay safe in the AI era. To stay relevant in future jobs. Learn how to use AI tools. Improve problem-solving skills. Strengthen communication. Build digital skills. Focus on creativity and adaptability. Keep learning continuously. The smartest strategy is not to fight AI, it is to learn how to work with it. Direct hit conclusion. So, will AI replace engineers, teachers, and office workers? Engineers, mostly transformed, not fully replaced. Teachers, supported by AI, not fully replaced. Office workers, some routine roles may be reduced or replaced. The biggest truth is this. AI will not replace every worker, but it will definitely replace outdated ways of working.